Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, an enthusiast exploring nature's hidden wonders. Today, we embark on an exciting journey.
Can small snails thrive long-term within a self-sustaining, closed ecosystem, powered only by a simple glass bottle? That's our big question. The idea sparked while gardening, discovering tiny snails nestled under a damp stone. These captivating creatures made me wonder about self-sustained life. Our goal, to create a balanced miniature ecosystem, mimicking a complete natural corner with soil, plants, water, and small organisms. Our first step, preparing a home for our new friends. We begin with a layer of high-quality, nutrient-rich soil from my garden. Next, we add moss and decaying leaves. Moss helps maintain humidity and creates a natural landscape, crucial for the ecosystem. These garden snails, collected gently and unharmed, are then softly placed inside the bottle, among the moss and leaves. These natural foods not only nourish the snails but also provide organic matter for decomposition, enriching the ecosystem's nutrient cycle. This is a key element for long-term survival, ensuring snails have ample energy to exist and flourish. With everything in place, Mark seals the bottle, creating a completely closed ecosystem where air, water, and nutrients recycle endlessly. The initial weeks are crucial for observation. Through a macro lens, we clearly witness the snail's behavior. Here's a beautiful macro shot, a snail using its radula to scrape bits of vegetable leaf, leaving delicate feeding trails. These clear, fine eating lines on the leaf surface, like nature's artwork, confirm they've found food and are actively absorbing nutrients. Snails move across the bottle's glass surface, leaving shimmering, iridescent mucus trails sparkling under the light. During observation, we witnessed a rare, exciting moment, a snail shedding its outer membrane or skin. This clear sign of growth indicates the snail is developing, shedding its old shell for a new, thicker, stronger one. An initially fresh green leaf, after several nights, was scraped clean, leaving only faint veins. This visual evidence proves the snails are actively foraging, continuously contributing to organic decomposition within the closed ecosystem. Occasionally, he shines a small flashlight inside for better viewing and checks the moisture level, adding a few drops, if too dry. To add a scientific element, Mark conducts a mini experiment, checking the humid air inside the bottle. In subsequent weeks, the ecosystem remained stable. Snails, now familiar with their environment, moved more confidently, exploring every corner. Mark dedicated more time to beautiful macro shots, capturing snails extending tentacles, touching the glass, or gently nibbling stored leaf. Initial vegetable leaves and fruit peels significantly reduced in size, consumed by snails and decomposed by microorganisms. He also points to the crawling snails inside, helping viewers visualize the experiment's scale and the creature's smallness. These beautiful shots offer viewers deeper insights into snail habits, revealing the ecosystem's vibrancy even in a confined space. After more than 10 minutes of captivating observation, we witnessed astonishing results. The snails have adapted exceptionally well. Humidity inside the bottle consistently remains stable, a key factor for moss and soil to retain life and thrive. Natural food sources like leaves and fruit peels slowly decomposed, efficiently processed by snails and microorganisms. This indicates the snail not only survived but also flourished, fully absorbing nutrients and maturing within the bottle ecosystem's conditions. It can fully support snails and other small microorganisms. A specialized mini sensor is gently inserted, recording air's relative humidity. Results show stable humidity, ideal for snails and plants.
This experiment proves that even a simple bottle can sustain small life forms with the right balance. Thank you for joining me. Please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.